education days against Mexico City. Is the last game, I believe, before the All-Star break.
Kawamura fade away, and it goes.
That means it's just...
In this rookie season.
You can forget about those guys sometimes, the trailers. Look at that right there.
And the hustle, doing it with style.
To knock it away.
Kawamura to Stewart for three. Yes, sir. All right. Good defense again. Hinton on the run, sends it ahead for Yuki. Kawamura to Stewart, trailing down the lane. 14-2 hustle with 8. We love this guy.
This is his diabolical move so that the announcers do not trash him during the game.
Very smart move.
Great call, man. Yeah, I mean, he's just great. Just hugs him.
That's a bear hug. So Yuki to the hustle. Bounces around and then it's interesting. I think maybe some more CEOs out there listening might. Burton for three. Yes.
Well, look way better.
Kawamura launches.
And so pure.
Here at Kawamura got another. He's fighting.
Yeah.
Of all the bald people in the world, you came up with Don Zimmer.
You're the bald white guys. Don Rick.
Probably makes that.
Exactly. Probably dunks him.
Stewart off the feet again from Kawamura. Stewart off the feet again from Kawamura. The world of bad beats.
Yes.
Kawamura stays perfect from the field. Allowed in the final 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Putting the half-court game winner.
By Josh Giddey, who is having an amazing season in Chicago.
Who's to go? Kawamura!
Get it!
No. Hits it another offense. Also still have a foul to give as well. Pass goes into the backcourt. Kawamura cut to get to the 20-point mark today. He got it.